How severe the failure. You never give up. Never give up. You pick yourself up, you brush yourself off, you push forward, you move on.